Welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive right into the anatomy of Meghan Markle's totally iconic pear-shaped ring. Harry Winston hit the nail on the head. That philosophy perfectly captures this trend-setting royal piece.
We've seen it everywhere, from NBA games to Instagram. But what makes this specific ring so mesmerizing? We're looking at diamond shape, the solitaire setting, yellow gold, and that 5-carat weight. Let's dive in.
Compare a round diamond to a pear shape of the exact same weight. It's a total optical illusion.
That pear shape literally creates a larger face-up area. It gives your finger this amazingly flattering, lengthening effect.
Next up, the solitaire setting. It's just a simple band letting that center stone completely steal the show.
No halos, no side stones. This keeps things super comfortable while putting absolute focus on the main diamond.
Now, swapping traditional platinum for a yellow gold band, that creates a seriously stunning visual contrast.
This golden contrast makes the diamond pop, and it beautifully complements warm or neutral skin tones. Okay, the real showstopper. We're talking a massive center diamond estimated at 5 to 6 carats.
With a rock this heavy, a highly secure prong setting is absolutely essential to keep it locked down.
At 5 carats, you can't hide flaws. Premium color, flawless clarity, and a top-tier cut are crucial.
Want this royal look without going broke? The secret is high-quality lab-grown diamonds. They're a total game-changer.
Seriously, a stunning 5-carat lab replica drops to a very realistic $3,000 to $5,000.
This design perfectly captures Meghan's refined style. It elevates even a simple white shirt and jeans effortlessly.
The real genius here is the juxtaposition, a super subtle setting paired with a dramatically bold, massive stone.
It's modern elegance at its absolute finest. So, are you ready to customize your very own royal replica?